Hello, everyone. This is Jim Obrazinski with your very last screencast video of the semester. Excuse me, I'd like to begin with the weekly schedule. The final draft of the research essay is due tonight, Tuesday, May 13th. Be aware of the final draft requirements. I'll cover those in a few seconds. You're going to want to make sure that your upload to that assignment is good. Yeah, that's your document there. Uh, Sunday, the discussion board 16, your online social practices and participation post is due. There are no responses for that particular assignment. I am the audience on this particular post, all right? And then be aware of the closing of all the assignments and discussion boards so I can prepare for grades. Final grade posting. So be aware of the dates. Fairly good drafts, I thought, and also really solid peer reviews this online semester. Alrighty. So let's just jump over to the content page there and let's take a look at the final draft instructions. So in and along the first draft criteria, all of those hold for the final draft, with the exception that the minimum word count is 2,500, and that's excluding the works cited page. You should be aware of that word requirement and the 6 sources that are required. Please review the resources about how to format an MLA document, how to format a works cited page, and uploading all of your final drafts. Proofing, whether it's reading out loud or running it through some sort of a grammar checker, would be a worthwhile activity. So I just want to make sure that everybody is aware that this is a final draft, and I am looking for a polished version of your first draft of your research essay. So I want to make sure everybody's aware of that. Also, I want to point out here is the upload. Just a reminder on some of the criteria here. So I want everyone to be aware of the due dates available. More so than that, be aware of when everything closes out. It's been a great semester online with everyone. I don't have any big wisdoms to depart as we end the semester. My final suggestion to you would be to double check, email often over the next week. If there is a problem with a submission or an issue, you should tend to at least pick up email. I'll try to contact you. Unfortunately, if there is a problem and you do not respond, there's no way of me helping you fix anything, and I have to grade accordingly. Also, be aware of the Grade Center. Look at those activities that are missing over the last few days that these are open, and try to take action. Once again, just to remind everybody, that grade column total, according to the grading policy and the syllabus, is where grades will usually end up. All right, so be aware. If you have any questions or issues, it is a busy time of the year for me. I have many final research essay drafts to grade and final exams to give for traditional courses. So please be patient. All right. Once again, it's been a pleasure this semester. A lot of good essays, a lot of interesting topics. Good luck to you in your future studies, wherever they may be, here at COD or onward. All right? Have a great summer.